Hello everyone. So today's objective is to multiply two binomials. And we're doing this IXL assignment that I'll have posted for you. So when multiplying two binomials, there's two methods. I will show you both. The first one, I'm going to show three examples. The second one, I'm going to show one example. And all of the questions on this assignment are like this. So there's only one skill on this particular assignment, which is why I don't have screenshots in here, because it's just easier for me to write it out. So we have 2x plus 4 times x plus 6. Okay, we're going to make a Punnett square type thing like you see in biology. And we have 2x on the side plus 4. Okay, this one on the side, and then I stick this one on top. But it doesn't really matter. I could have put this one on the side and this one on top. Now we multiply. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times 6 is 12x. X times 4 is 4x. And 4 times 6 is 24. So we're just multiplying in here. My first term is going to stay the same. My second two terms here are going to combine to get me plus 16x. And then 24 is just going to stay plus 24. And that's the answer I would input into IXL. I already get that exponent, press that blue button in IXL. All right, let's take a look at another example. X plus 8 times x minus 7. So we have x and positive 8, x and negative 7. Again, you could have these flipped, it doesn't matter. We have x times x is x squared. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. X times 8 is 8x. And 8 times negative 7 is negative 56. Our first term will stay the same. These two terms on the diagonal will combine. I have 8 minus 7 is 1. Okay, and it's positive 1 because the 8's bigger. If it was negative 8 and positive 7, then it'd be negative 1. And then minus 56 gets tacked on the end. And this would be the answer you can put into IXL. This guy right here. All right, one more example of the Punnett square, and then I'll show FOIL as well. But I think the Punnett square is a much better method. It's a lot more organized. So we have 2x minus 7 times 3x minus 5. Again, we make the box. We're going to put one on the side, one on the top. Again, I usually just put the first one on the side and the second one on the top, but it doesn't matter. Like, yeah, these could be switched. So we have 2x times 3x is 6x squared. 2 times negative 5 is negative 10x. Right, 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Negative 7 times 3x is negative 21x. And negative 7 times negative 5 is positive 35. And make sure you're careful when you multiply those two negatives. So we'll have 6x squared. Now we're combining two negatives, so it'll be a bigger negative. So this will be negative 31x. And then plus 35 gets stacked on the end. Okay, or some of you might be used to the FOIL method. Again, I prefer this method, but I will show this. So we have x minus 10 times 2x plus 6. Okay, F stands for first, so our first numbers in both binomials. So x times 2x is 2x squared. And follow the color code, right? That one's in black. O stands for outer. These outside numbers. Okay, so plus 6x, right? X times 6 is 6x. I stands for inner. Notice how I'm going underneath here, because if I go over again, it gets really messy. So we have minus 20x, negative 10 times 2. And then L stands for last, our last numbers in each binomial. Negative 10 times 6 is negative 60. 2x squared stays the same. We can combine the two terms in the middle, which would be negative 20x and positive 6x, just like I'm combining on the diagonal over here. 20 minus 6 is 14. 20 is bigger, so it's negative 14x, right? 1 minus sign, subtract like normal. And then minus 60 gets tacked on the end. All right, so that is it for this assignment. Again, I would use the Punnett square if I were you.